Hello and welcome back to my channel if you're new. Today I wanted to do a really simple, quick, like soft glam look for you guys. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 15H palette to do that. Just looks like this. So I'm going to start by going in with the shade Mixer. And I'm just going to be applying that all over the crease. So from the outer corner all the way into the inner corner. Then going in with 5 PM just to add a bit more definition. So I'm going to focus that mainly in the outer third and then blend that through the crease. It's just going to add a bit more depth to the look. And then just going in with a different brush just to blend that out a bit more. And then going back in with that mixer shade just to blend the two colours together. And then for the lid colour I'm going in with the shade here, which is Hotspot. It's such a beautiful shade, I'm obsessed. I'm just going to apply that on like the inner third and the centre of my lid, leaving the outer third blank for this shade here. So this is 5 PM again, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner. Then going in with the Body Shop Skinny Thin Felt Eyeliner, and I'm just going to run that really close to my lash lines and then add a little wing. So it just looks like that, and then I'm just going to neaten that up with a bit of concealer just to make sure it's nice and sharp and that they're even as well. Then taking some mascara, so this is the Happy Go Lash from Body Shop. I'm going to coat my top lashes with that. And then for eyelashes, I'm going in with these here, which are the CookiexLashesx lashes in the style Kylie. Absolutely love these. They're so like fluttery and long without looking too much and kind of taking over the eyeshadow look. As you can see there, they're just really fluttery, quite natural. I'm obsessed. And then for foundation, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover Foundation and just mixing in a couple of the Body Shop Drops of Glow Illuminating drops. And I'm just applying that all over the face with a Morphe sponge. For concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm applying that under my eyes and then down the centre of my face just to highlight those points. So my chin, my cupid's bow, down my nose and the centre of my forehead. I'm just using my Morphe sponge again to blend that out. I'm just going to set that concealer in place with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, so just concentrating that on the places I've put the concealer at the minute. And then I'm going to do some cream contouring. So this is the Fresh Nude Serum Concealer from the Body Shop, and it's just in the shade number 4 Tan. So it's not too dark, but it is obviously darker than my skin tone, just to add a bit of bronziness to the perimeter of my face. And I'm again just blending that out with the same sponge. I'm going to set all that in place with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just pushing that in to make sure I don't move any of the cream contour I've just put down. And then for lower lash line, I'm just going back in with the same palette in the shade 5 PM just to run across my lower lashes, and then just pop in that same mascara on. Back to face, I'm going to use the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my skin in the same places I've put the cream contour earlier. And then for blush, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Life's Peach blush, and I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and blending that back into my bronzer. And then I'm just going to take that Too Faced bronzer again and just run that down my nose, just so the centre of my face kind of matches the rest of my face and isn't just white and pale with foundation and stuff. And then the Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette, and I'm just going to highlight my face with that shade. I'm just going to do the tops of my cheekbones and then also where I put the concealer, so I'm just going to pop that down the centre of my nose and then my chin, my cupid's bow, and just above my eyebrows. And then I'm just going to take a smaller brush in that same highlighting shade and just pop a bit on my brow bone and in the inner corner of my eye. I feel like this just really ties your eye look to the rest of your face. I do this with literally every makeup look. I love it. It just ties everything together so nicely. And then moving on to lips, I'm going to use the Body Shop Lip Definer, and this is in the shade Windsor Rose. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use the Clarins, I think it's Joli Rouge in 705 Soft Berry. I absolutely love this shade. This lipstick is amazing as well. It's such a good formula and it genuinely stays in place like all day. You pop it on once and you're good to go for the whole day. I love it. So this is the finished makeup look, and I'm going to very quickly show you the outfit that I wore with this look. So I just popped on a white shirt and some black ripped jeans. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I hope to see you next time. See you later.